Make sure you like our videos, make sure you comment, and share our videos. Thanks. Back in a moment.
As the name suggests, a car filter is there to filter the physical elements present in the gases or fluids entering or passing through the car. On average, most cars have 4 filters, helping to extend the life of that car. Filters need to be changed according to the owner's manual, but here is some information from motor.onehowto.com about a few of those filters. For the air filter, it is ideal to replace it once a year. If you often drive in dusty or heavily polluted conditions, these may need more frequent replacements. Extend the life of air filters by blowing them clean with compressed air. And driving with a clogged filter may have worse health conditions than driving with no filter at all. It is essential to change your car's oil filter each time the engine oil is changed. Typically every 2 years in new cars and every year in older cars is fine. It catches particles that could severely damage the performance of the engine. Air and oil filters endure the health of the engine. The cabin air filter, however, deals with the health of the vehicle's passengers. It catches the dust particles and pollen that are floating around in the air, providing a clean feeling when you're inside the vehicle. It is convenient to change these filters once a year unless you frequently drive through dusty or heavily polluted areas, in which case you must change them out more frequently. We can help you with all your filter needs. Come see us.
Welcome to Klahanie Chevron Service Center. They're here to help service all your car and truck service and repair needs. They're open 7 days a week, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., and they have a mechanic on duty Monday through Saturday. They've been here for a long time and are proud to be servicing the kids and sometimes grandkids of those they serviced years ago. Come in or call and schedule an appointment today.